Welcome back, guys. Right, so today we'll be looking at addition of number base 2. How do we add numbers in their base 2? That's what we'll be treating today. Right, let's look at the first example on the board. It said add 111 base 2 plus 100 base 2 and leaving your answer in base 10. So I'm going to show you how to add in base 2 and then leave the answers in base 10. So let's go. Solution to the problem. Right, it's just simple, right? Let's just put them down. We have 1 1 0 1 1 1, right? Plus what? Plus 1 0 0, then 1 1 0 1. Alright, this is what we are adding in base 2, please. All of them are in base 2. Now I'll show you a simpler way of adding in base 2. Right? 1 plus 1 naturally is 2. So we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now take note. If this number we are adding is equal to the number base, we divide by the number base, right? So since we have 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to the number base, we divide by the number base, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. So what do? We fix the 0, right? We carry this one over, right? So put down the 0, which is 0, carry the 1 over to this one. Are you seeing? And then 1 plus 1 here, that's 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And this answer 2 is equal to the number base. We divide by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. So fix the 0 and carry this one over. So we are fixing the 0 here. And then we are carrying this one over here. Then if you watch, if we add this 3, it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. If you watch now, the answer 3 is higher than the number base. So if it is equal to the number base, we divide by the number base, as well as when it is higher than the number base, we also divide by the number base. So since we have 3 divided by 2, the number base, we're going to have 1 remainder 1, right? We use 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. So we'll fix 1, then we carry 1. So let's fix 1 here now, and then we'll carry this one here. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 there is 2, right? I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Since 2 is equal to the number base, we divide by the number base, which is 1, remainder 0. So we fix the 0, and then we carry 1. So let's fix the 0 here, and then carry that 1 here. With that, we have 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 here is 2. 1 plus 1, which is 2, equal to the number base, divide by the number base, we have 1, remainder 0. Fix the 0, carry the 1. So let's fix the 0 here, carry that 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 equals, well, remember all of this we are carrying them, please. All of these guys we are carrying them, right? So we have 1 plus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. The same thing happens here. 1 plus 1, which is 2, divide by 2, we have 1 remainder 1. 1 remainder 0, sorry. So fix the 0, carry 1. So here we'll fix our 0, carry our 1 here. Now we're having 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Right? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3. So let me just put it here. We have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. So we'll fix 1 and then move 1 over. So we'll fix 1 here. The remaining one we are moving over will stay here. Right? So this is our answer in base 2. So when we add this 2, we add this plus this, we're going to get this. So therefore, let's just say, therefore, 111 base 2 plus what? 100 base 2 will give us what? 100 base 2 as our answer. But then the question says we should leave our answer in base 10. So we're converting this to base 10. And I taught you the simplest form of converting to base 10, right? 11000. So we have 1 1 0 0 0, and then we have 100. We also have 100. So I said we leave a dot, put 2, put a dot, put the base 2, because our base is number base in 2, right? Also put 2, fix 2, fix 2, fix 2, 2 and 2. This is the number base, small 2 here, so we don't put it down. So what do? It is 1, began to apply our index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Are you seeing now? So we have 1 times 2 raised to the power 7, right? So we have 1 times 2 raised to the power of 7 plus what? 1 times 2 raised to the power 6, right? Plus this is 0. So whenever we're multiplying with 0, it's going to give us a 0, right? So 0 times 2 raised to the power 5, although it's going to give us, so if I'm using 0 to multiply, no need to fix it, it's just going to give us 0, right? This one is 0, it's gone. Also this one is gone, right? So 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4, right? And then what? We have plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3. We have 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 here. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2. And then plus what? 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 here. 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus what? 0 times 2 raised to the power 0. 0 times 2 raised to the power 0. So if we do that, we're going to have, remember we know that this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, but this is 1. So what we have left is 1 times 2 raised to the power of 7, right? Plus what? Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 6. All of those are 0. But we have plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Remember, this is 0 as well. Since we're multiplying 0, that means we're left with all we have here. So 2 raised to the power of 7 will give us 128, right? So 1 times 128 plus what? And 2 raised to the power 6 is 1 times 64, right? And then 2 raised to the power what? 2 is 1 times 4. So 128 plus 64 plus 4 is going to give us, plus 1 times 28 is 28. 128, sorry, plus 64 plus 4. Everything here is going to give me 196 base 10. So my answer, my total answer there is 196. Yep. While we're having this base 2, you can also say 1110111 base 2 plus 1001101 is equal to what? 196 base what? Base 10. So this is the answer in base 2, and this is our answer in base 10. So you can just follow the steps and see how we did that. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.